Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. If you have some cornflakes sitting on your kitchen counter, go and try this recipe because you're gonna love it. In a bowl, combine 3 eggs with 125 grams of softened butter, 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of icing sugar, 2½ cups of cornstarch, 1½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then knead all the ingredients thoroughly. Take pieces from the dough, roll into balls, and place them on a parchment-lined baking tray. Bake for about 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. After cookies cool a little, dip them into 3 or 4 tablespoons of chocolate spread and 100 milliliters of vegetable oil mixture that is prepared by water bath method, and coat them with cornflakes. Refrigerate for an hour. Cornflake cookies are ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.